Hello everyone! We are in Canyon Cove, Batangas na Cebu. And this is where meron kami isang property dito. Kaya every year, pag umuwi kami, we stay here.
Hello!
This is my husband. So the place is called Canyon Cove, Batangas. And it's combination of hotel, resort, beach, and many more. So may mga fire dance, may mga buffet, at maraming mga cocktail bar, marami dito. So this is the best place where you can relax, unwind, contemplate, meditate. Kaya we decided to stay here for a night. Medyo puno ngayon sila. So hindi kami nakapag-book ng 2 nights. And as you see, ito yung beach. So,
Umuulan!
ayan, umuulan, medyo maambon. Pero still, ang ganda ng